Hello, I'm Colin Ward, co-author of Q Skills for Success Reading and Writing 3. The critical thinking strategy for this unit is identifying a causal chain, which is a series of actions and their reactions that are all connected. Identifying a causal chain will help you understand a series of causes and effects in a text. A main cause leads to an effect, which leads to the next effect, and so on. You can think of a causal chain like a row of dominoes. Once the first main cause falls, the effect causes a chain reaction. In other words, when you look at a causal chain, an effect will become the cause of a second effect, and so on. By definition, a causal chain is a sequence of events in which one event in the chain causes the next event to occur. When you identify a causal chain in a text, start by asking yourself, what happened first? What is the main cause? Then ask, what is the sequence of the events that followed the main cause? Let's look at an example. Right now, the demand for medical care is growing. In turn, companies are hiring more medical workers, such as doctors and nurses. Because of this job growth, more students want to get medical degrees. As a result, more people are applying to medical school. This means there is more competition. Finally, because there is more competition, the medical school's acceptance rates will go down. In this causal chain, the main cause is the demand for medical jobs, which leads to the next effect, and so on. The final effect is that it appears harder for people to get into medical schools. Be careful not to confuse a cause-effect relationship with a time order relationship. A time order relationship presents a sequence of events in the order the events happened, such as what happened first, second, and third. However, unlike a cause-effect relationship, one event is not the cause of the next event. They are only connected by time. In a cause-effect relationship, there is also a sequence of events, but each event is the cause of the next event. To distinguish between cause-effect and time order, look for key words in the text that show each relationship. For example, connectors such as first, next, then, after, and before are words that show time order. In contrast, connecting words such as so, because, since, therefore, and consequently indicate cause-effect relationships. Focusing on these words can give you a feel for the flow of the connected events and a better understanding of how the events happened. Now, let's practice. First, read situation number 1. Now, read situation number 2. Which one shows a cause-effect relationship or causal chain? Which one shows a time order relationship? Situation 1 shows a time order relationship, not a cause-effect relationship. How do you know? We know this is not a causal chain because we can see the key words like then and after that in the series of events. The second situation does show a causal chain. How do you know? Because one event causes the next event to occur, as evidenced by the words so and because, which show us that they are connected by cause and effect, not just time. Now, let's recap today's lesson. We have discussed that when you identify a causal chain, you are looking for a series of causes and effects, where one effect leads to the next effect. Remember that when you are reading about a sequence of events, sometimes the relationship can be time order instead of cause-effect. To help you identify the difference, look for connectors that show time and connectors that show cause-effect. Thanks for listening.